Welcome back. I'm here with meteorologist Maria Ruiz. And Maria, we're looking at the live image behind us. I wish we had some windows in here to actually see what it's like outside. Is it gloomy? Is it foggy? Is it about to rain? What's the deal?
It is a little bit gloomy outside. The rain is still a bit away from us.
We got some time.
We have some time, but it is going to be here this afternoon for, a good chunk of North Texas.
Here we go again.
Yes. I know. Okay, so our severe weather outlook for today does have us under a slight risk. That's a level 2 out of 5. That means that we could see some scattered severe storms this afternoon, and the main threat today will be the potential for hail up to quarter size and 60 to 65 mile per hour wind gusts. Now, this does include a big portion of North Texas. This afternoon and evening will be your time frame, and it's going to come in a couple of different waves. So let me go ahead and show you. Right now, we just see the cloud cover in some areas. I do see some of that cloud cover breaking up along the Red River and even along our western counties. I'm going to pad out here and show you a few things because, first of all, our first wave could come in the form of just a pop-up storm. But I'm really looking at this as a round 1. It's mainly going to impact east North Texas, and right now it's a cluster of storms just to the southeast of Oklahoma City, and that's working its way towards the southeast. It'll likely clip some of our eastern counties. The second round, or the second wave, will be because of a dry line in West Texas. Very often this time of the year, this sets up. These storms have not popped up yet, but I'm expecting them to pop up right along there, just south of is that Interstate 40 there, and in the Panhandle, and those will eventually clip some of our western counties. So again, we're watching 2 areas, and those will move into North Texas as the day progresses. So let me go ahead and show you the timing. This is noon. Those storms likely staying just north of the Red River for a good portion of the early afternoon. Meanwhile, we could see some pop-up storms along our eastern counties because it's so humid. But later this afternoon into this evening, that first wave does move in and clips our eastern counties. This is showing you around 6, around 7 or 8. We could see these outflows kind of just continue to push towards the south, and those can kind of keep ramping up some activity. This is 8, this is 9. I'm shaking you to 10 now. Look at how that tail end just kind of extends into the Metroplex. Then there's that next wave. You see that? That comes in, and this is now showing you around midnight. So we'll be tracking 2 different clusters of storms here. If this model holds, if the timing holds, and this will be around 2 in the morning, those 2 kind of continue on towards the south. The more south they move, the weaker they'll become. But by around sunrise tomorrow morning, a lot of this activity will really already be out of the area. So again, we're watching 2 areas for development this afternoon, and that's not the only opportunity for rain this week. Tuesday night into Wednesday, we have another round because of a front that comes in. It's going to stall, and that kind of keeps that potential for rain in the area. Year to date, we have accumulated over 27 inches of rainfall. It's officially the 6th wettest on record. And again, that's to date. We have time to move on that list. Rainfall forecast really through this weekend, anywhere between ½ inch to 1 inch of rainfall. There it goes. Cedar Hill, 80 degrees right now. You have a cloud that is really impacting visibility on that camera, but a little blue sky here as you look over downtown Dallas. Hickory, Oak, Grass, all at a moderate count today. It's another warm day. 80 is what the actual temperature is, but it feels like 85. Winds out of the southeast will be breezy at times. The temperature does make it to about 89 this afternoon with about 40% coverage, and that'll be here for Dallas. A little bit warmer along our western counties into the upper 90s. Low 80s for our eastern counties. And that's the other thing about this week. We're talking highs in the mid 90s, but it's going to feel like the triple digits when you factor in the humidity Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then we do settle into a dry stretch, but more rain Sunday into early parts of next week. We'll be back.